Namaste everyone. Welcome to Sheetal Digital Ocean. Let's learn something new in this video. In this video, we will learn introduction of JavaScript, why you need to learn JavaScript, what are the applications of JavaScript, what are the features of JavaScript, and some JavaScript framework list. What is JavaScript? The programs in this language are called scripts. JavaScript is very easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML. JavaScript is a dynamic computer scripting language. It is most commonly used as a part of web page, whose implementations allow client-side scripting to interact with the user and make dynamic pages. It is an interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities. JavaScript is a scripting language used to create and control dynamic website content. JavaScript is a dynamic untyped scripting or programming language. Dynamic because there is no compilation step involved when we write a JavaScript program, unlike C++, but it will be interpreted by JavaScript engine. Untyped is a powerful feature of JavaScript. When we use a different type of data in JavaScript program, we do not mention the types of dynamically at runtime, but will be assumed on the basis of data we are using. We don't need to mention which kind of data we are using. It supports both functional and object-oriented principles with HTML, CSS, JavaScript used to develop interactive websites. Chrome, Safari, Firefox have inbuilt support for JavaScript. Using JavaScript, we can do lots of things on browser. For example, when we use click button or enter something in the text field, we can handle that event, form validation or any other operations on that data. We can even send request data to the server side application, and once that application sends that response back, we can handle that process response in JavaScript and dynamically update the HTML in the web browser. Using JavaScript, you can handle events, validate data, process response, and so on. JavaScript is very easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML. They can be written in a web page's HTML and run automatically as the page loads. They don't need special compilation to run. JavaScript is different from another language called Java. So remember, Java and JavaScript both are not same language. It is a different language. When JavaScript was created, its name was LiveScript, but was renamed JavaScript in a later release. Now one question arises in your mind: why I study JavaScript? If you want to be a web developer, then you must need three languages. First one is HTML, second is CSS, and third is a JavaScript. So JavaScript is one of the three languages all web developer must learn. HTML define the content of web page, CSS specify the layout of web pages, where the JavaScript define the behavior of web pages. JavaScript is one of the most used language in the market these days. Now next question arises in your mind: what are the applications of JavaScript? Using JavaScript, you can develop web development, server application, web server, not only websites, but JavaScript also helps in creating games. You can create applications for a number of watches using JavaScript. You can also create mobile applications using JavaScript. Mobiles mostly available in Apple and Android. Two different languages are used to build a mobile application. So you need to write a code for both the platform, Apple and as well as Android. But it should be possible to write a code once and use it on both platforms of these devices. For that, React Native is the framework which enables this feature. So using React Native, you can easily develop a mobile application. So it would be pretty clear that JavaScript is the language that is to stay with all the features in the front-end and back-end development. JavaScript helps in supporting both and creating some best application that can be used worldwide. Let's discuss about JavaScript features. So JavaScript is an object-centered scripting language. Object-centered language are mostly used for features like polymorphism. Validation of user's input is mostly commonly known as a form validation. Interpreter-centered, which allows the user to get the output without the use of compiler. JavaScript has a many inbuilt functions. JavaScript is a case-sensitive language, so identifiers small time and capital time can convey a totally different meaning in JavaScript. The JavaScript has the ability to control operations update on servers. For example, client clicking on links and options interaction response over the website. The statement looping is used to perform the same operations repeatedly. There are some basic JavaScript framework. The first is a Node.js, second is AngularJS, and third is React.js. Node.js is used for developing network applications, AngularJS is used for front-end applications, React.js is used in web development. Now, one task for you all, list out some JavaScript framework, list out some JavaScript features, and list out some JavaScript application. Be loyal to yourself and complete this task and also upcoming task. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.